another banger. In today's video, I'm working with this company. It's called I Show Hair. As you guys can see right here, they basically have different tons of hair. They have black hair, colored hair, bobs, curly wigs, straight wigs. Just go check it out. I'm not gonna be talking too much. Yeah, feel me? When you open the package, they'll send you a flyer, things about the hair, how to take care of the hair, and of course, the hair came out in this clear package. The package, this is what the hair looks like, as you guys can see right here. It comes in a net, not a fish net, guys, but a net, as you guys see right here. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, so guys, this is the texture of the hair, as you guys can see right here. This is a very nice curl partner, as you guys can see. I'm so sorry. And this is what the inside of the cap looks like. It comes with, you know, of course it comes with a, so guys, it comes with clippings, as you guys can see. It comes with 3, 2, and then the third one is gonna be on the side. This is exactly what the lace looks like from outside, and it comes also with adjustable straps, as you guys can see, right here. And of course, so this is exactly what the lace looks like. I'm gonna move closer so you guys can see and have more look of it. So the good thing about this hair, the lace is all the way down, is a deep lace. I like this kind of lace because you can do so much with it, even though the lace is short, as you guys see, but it's really good. So I'm excited to work with this hair. You guys can see right here, this is what the blonde partner look like. And yes guys, it's really up to you what you want to do with it, if you want to bleach it or not, if you want to bleach the knots or not. I feel like for me it's fine, you know, it's really up to you. But I'm gonna go bleach the knots. I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, the first thing that you're gonna do is you're going to cut the lace. When I say cut the lace, I don't mean cut it straight and make it look like a wig. I mean, a wig will always look like a wig, but you need to cut your lace into a zigzag line. You don't want it to look straight. Don't cut it straight, my friend. Like, what are you doing? No. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna be using your foundation or your powder, whatever you want to use. I prefer to use my foundation because I feel like powder makes it messy. So you just blend it in, boom, 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 pow, pow, pow. Check me out, hear me out, boom, boom again. All right, then you're gonna apply the foundation on the lace. You know, you're gonna make sure that it's all the way on the top of the lace. And yes, see. This is optional. Yes, this is my toothbrush. I lied, is my wig brush, but you don't have to use mousse if you don't want to. You can use edges control, got to be glue. When hair don't listen, I use got to be glue, but this hair is very good, so I didn't need to use got to be glue. But yes, guys.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tahoe close, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
Okay, so guys, for edges, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be cutting the end of your hair. You don't really have to, because everyone likes their edges different. Some people like a lot of edges. Some people only like 1 edges, 2 edges, 6 edges, 10 edges. I personally, each day is different for me. I just don't like when it's way too much edges. I don't know how to explain, but yes, guys, you're gonna be cutting your edges, you know, in the front or the sides. So right now I'm just using a hot comb to straighten up the hair, as you guys see it. Later on I'm gonna be adding water, because of course I use the hot comb to straighten the hair. So yes, and as you guys see, this hair you can also straighten if you want to. Boom, the water, pow, mousse. So right now we're gonna be spraying the water, you know, to make sure that the hair goes back to normal, because remember, I bleached the knots and I wet the hair, so that's why it looks a little bit dry. But once you wet it, and it will be just fine. You don't have to use mousse or any curly product. So right now I'm gonna go with the stick. This one just helps the hair to lay down more flatter. You guys love it. Well, I love the color, how it fits me, you know. I love, you know, the fact that I bleached the knots. Very optional, you don't have to. As you guys can see, I'm gonna come closer right here. I personally love this hair because it's very soft. As you guys see, this is exactly what the back looks like. This is what the back looks like. As you guys can see, it's very soft. And when you turn around, this is what you will look like. You will look like a baddie. As you guys can see, this is the texture of the hair. I'm gonna move closer in case I didn't show it before. I love the hair because it has blonde brown highlights, as you guys see right here. I personally love it, and I feel like you can style it however you want.